In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to edit photos using iPhone built-in tools. Let's get started. First, launch your Photos app. Then navigate to the photo that you want to edit. Now at the bottom, you're going to find these lines. Click on that. Now you will see several editing options. The first one is Auto Adjust or Magic Wand tool, which automatically enhances your photo by adjusting brightness, contrast, shadows, and more with a single tap. If you prefer more control, you can manually edit your photo by adjusting settings like exposure, brilliance, highlight, shadows, brightness, and contrast. Simply disable Auto Adjust option, then go through each of these options. Then you can customize these effects. Next, you will find the Filters option, where you can apply different styles like Vivid, Vivid Warm, Vivid Cool, and many others to change overall look of your photo. Just scroll through these effects and select the one that you want to apply to your picture. After that, there is the Crop tool, which lets you resize your image by dragging the corners. You can rotate, flip, or straighten your photo using the available controls to get the perfect angle and composition. Lastly, there is Cleanup tool. If you want to remove any object from your picture, you can use this. So that's it. Once you are happy with the editing part, click on Done and save your picture. So this is how you can easily use built-in tools in your iPhone to edit your picture. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.